Dollar, dollar, dollar. Dirty money, no soul. Had to go and get it, ain't no time to kick it. Got a stack and flip for my foes. Dollar, 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 dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar, 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 dollar. Let me watch out for my partners. Keep my money long, get my team strong. Let me run away from my problems.
Yo, what's good, original crew? It's your boy DJ New Kid, your girl
Sierra Nicole.
We're back on the channel with another
Kid and C original.
Welcome back to the channel, man. We got funny TikToks for y'all today. Folks always be trying to outdo you, bro. They just,
you wanted me to.
It's hate. That's all it is, bro. It's hate, man. Hey, make sure y'all keep
my best. I just kind of gave you a little song. All right, baby, come on.
Hey, we got funny TikToks that made me wheeze violently. You ready to wheeze? You ready to laugh?
I'm ready to laugh. I don't know about wheezing that.
I don't do.
I'm done with to play with you.
Hey, with that being said, remember, we will be making these guideline friendly. So if anything is not guideline friendly, make sure you check out the links in the description. So, well, the link to the
original video
will be in the description box. But as always, y'all know how it go. Make sure you check out the links in the description box down below. You already know where to go if you want to press support. All the information you need is down below. Also, every single time we pause and salute to the coming of the day.
Salute to you.
We highly appreciate y'all. Y'all keep blowing us up, man. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, just leave a like on the video.
That's all.
But again, man, it's funny TikTok that made me wheeze violently. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Wait, guess what I'm typing? Boobs. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, no, she is right here. You got to hit B.
Boom, boom, boom.
So, watch.
Wait, guess what I'm typing?
Oh, it might be food.
Uh-huh.
I am impressed. Really? I like it. You don't like it? Sit with your goddamn mouth closed, you fucking savage.
When just a taste is not enough.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
God damn it.
I thought you were my cousin. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday.
What the hell wrong with Lakuto?
Mirabelle, you must stay out the way.
Hola, please.
What? No, no! Ay, Dios mío!
Hi, Dan. I just moved in next door. I'm a supermodel.
I don't care who the IRS sends. I am not paying taxes.
You know what? I'm just gonna log off.
So without shoes, she's 5'7", but she's wearing shoes right now. And Kanye West is 5'8". So if I walked up to Kanye West, I could do this.
Oh, dude, what the heck? This is so dumb. What is that? 3 wins in a row? Dude, you fucking suck. What the? Alright, that's it. Oh, no. Wanna throw the damn controller? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. No, it's a dead end. What do I do? Wait, Master, I just can't win. There's gotta be something. Listen, my son. The only way you can win against your brother is literally nothing. You're screwed. I get it now. I know what Master was trying to tell me. See, now you messed up, and now you're... What the...
Two-legged wombo combo.
Well, I can't do anything against that. Man, this is bullshit, dude. I don't care.
Let's check out what this guy has. Hey, what's up, bruh? Give me all your items, now.
I wasn't trying to even laugh, bruh. It just brought back some
what?
Some memories.
Oh.
I wanted to sit on the floor.
Yeah.
That was you, not me.
Let's check out what this guy has. Hey, what's up, bruh? Give me all your items, now. Bruh, all you have is milk? Alright, whatever, I'll take it. Alright, man, have a nice day. Why is there music playing, bro? Hey, yo, what's going on? Was that milk, bro? Bro, tell me that was milk, bro. Nah. Bro, why do I have nausea?
I told you I have to finish my chemistry project.
Are you sure you're just doing a chemistry project and not making no bombs?
Yes, Granddad, I swear I'm not making a bomb.
What is that? That pink stuff right there. Isn't that what terrorists put up their booty hole? Then they put a match up the booty hole to blow up the whole plane? You better not be making no booty hole bombs around here.
It's not a bomb, Granddad. It's wave cream. I've been thinking about going with the Billy D look.
Good.
Bruh.
Look at her. Show them that you know how to swim. What the fuck is you doing? What the fuck?
My boyfriend's little brother fell asleep in the movie theaters, and we asked the security guard to prank him.
He done took his shoes off.
He too comfortable,
He
bro.
too comfortable, bro. For real. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucy.
You said what?
That's how I just realized.
Yeah, they gotta put them first.
I got.
That's the reason why your stomach ain't never got shit. They ain't never got no caramel. They ain't never got no what
No
else?
oat milk.
Could that be trapping at the back door? Hey, we got that new shipment. Trapping at the back door.
Put me first. I gotta put me first. I gotta put me first, Lucy.
Sit there, eat it. Thanks.
The plan is that I will be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great.
Smile.
Oh, it's beautiful. By the way, have you heard of the hit game Among Us?
Hey, you. Stop scrolling. I gotta tell you a secret. How do you make 7 even? You take away the S.
This is what we do when we're bringing in groceries from outside. We put our cats in here because, guys, I swear, it's no animal abuse or nothing. These motherfuckers run out every second they get. This motherfucker's trying to run out when he's in the basket. Bro, chill.
When roommates run into each other on campus.
I feel like I'm dying of malnutrition.
Why is there an $800,000 charge on my credit card? Dad, I'm a material girl. Get out of my house! I've been him.
TikTok pranks be like.
Oh boy, let's make some rhymes. Oh no, I was pranked. I didn't see that camera right in front of me or the guy behind the sweater recording.
Bruh.
YouTube pranked.
Let's see if this works. You feel?
Oh my.
Oh.
Sorry, kids. Could you just cover your ears for a sec? Your mother and I have come to an agreement. I'm getting a donut and she's getting a better husband.
What? Oh.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing in my house?
Go in to kiss him, pull him in.
Ain't no way, boy.
You know what? Never mind. Never mind.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing in my house?
Go in to kiss him, pull him in by his belt.
If you do this, I'm not even joking, you might just end up with a kid.
Hello?
Hey, Scott.
Girl, if you're gonna try and ask for my social security number, no, you cannot.
I can see you right now.
Deadass?
So you like popcorn?
Wait, what do you think of the sweater I just got? I don't know if I like it or not. Like, does it go with the outfit?
Enough.
Or do you not like?
How about we play a game?
Oh no, I don't want to play a game. Listen, I've been talking to this guy for 2 months, right? All he does is play games with me. Babes, I'm tired of playing games. I do not want to
It's
play.
a fun game. One where I chase you with a knife.
Chase me with a knife?
Exactly.
I mean, we could do something similar, but I don't like to run. So if we could do like switch it up just like a little bit because I don't run.
If you don't run, then you'll die.
Dot, you're gonna kill me?
Obviously.
Wait a minute, what's your sign?
A Pisces.
A Pisces. No, that makes sense. Only because like you kill people. And I don't think I've ever met a mentally stable Pisces. Like it just adds up a little. But wait, are you actually gonna kill me?
Very slowly and painfully.
You are?
Yes.
Okay, good, because
Bruh. This is fucking ridiculous. I've never been more horny for these characters.
What's that smell? Are you pooping?
No.
Smells really good.
So I heard if you gave the cat.
Oh hell no!
Y'all doing too much. Okay. Egg, it'll take care of it because it knows how fragile the egg is.
This happened 5 years ago, and now the blonde girl is my girlfriend.
Yep.
How?
Password.
Cinnamon sticks.
Okay. Like, I know he's recording, but I gotta be honest. My mental health is taking a rapid decline.
Yo, is that Spider-Man? Yo, I love Spider-Man.
What did you say?
Bro, why were you so Twitter
I did this last night while everyone was asleep.
What is it?
It's a tunnel.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, man, get a grip. You're coming apart. Where are you tunneling to? Next cell?
He's so tunneling to the next cell.
Oh.
Bruh.
Lizard doing push-ups.
What the lizard doing, though?
What the lizard doing?
He's right there, man.
Oh.
2.
The fuck?
3. 4. 5.
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
Throwback to 5 years ago when I discovered I was actually ugly.
Natalie!
Oh, shit.
Nah, I gotta go compare my kid to someone right now. It's the only way they'll do better if I shit on them and crush them.
Babe, please give me my phone back.
No.
Give me my fucking phone back.
No.
Don't go to my group chat, please.
No.
That's for the boys only. Stop. Open this fucking door.
You and your homies send pictures of your balls to each other?
You're not supposed to know.
That's fucking weird.
It's not weird. It's the boys.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Shout with me, 30.110. Bing. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got Cheat.
I think I want to play Would You Still Love Me If with my boyfriend. Today's question,
Bruh.
Would you still love me if I was a worm? Would you date someone else if I died? Let him answer the question wrong and I'm going to kick his ass.
I did not ask those questions. That is so like...
You.
No, it's not.
That is you, bruh.
I've never asked you anything like that.
Don't be the number 1 key.
You said what?
The number 1 key to make it out of any situation is stop living in denial. Denial is just not a river in Africa.
I don't actually.
Denial is not just a river in Africa. You gotta learn how to get over that shit.
I do not ask you stuff like that.
Denial.
Sir, I want to let you know your wife's operation went well. Feel free to go see her at the end of the hall.
Oh, thank Jesus. You're doing God's work.
Of course.
You made her ugly. She's a man. And she's got a fat fucking cock. Why? God, why?
Sir, your wife's in the other room.
Thank you, doctor.
Of course.
What the world?
I trust me. I don't understand. I just don't understand sometimes, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, with that being said, if y'all know some memes where we can get some memes from, a place where we get some memes from, hit us up in the comment section down below. Oh man, what is this? What is the world coming to, man? But as always, y'all know how it go. I do go by the name DJ Kid. This is
Sierra Nicole.
Yeah.
Ain't no time to kick it, got a stack to flip for my folks. Dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar. Let me watch out for my partners. Keep my money low, get my team strong. Let me run away from my problems.